In this video, we'll be taking a look at a soldered seam copper roofing project completed by Guttersmiths in the village of Maple Bluff in Madison, Wisconsin in the fall of 2022. This was part of a larger exterior remodel that included extensive carpentry, masonry, and stucco restoration, as well as painting. Guttersmiths was responsible for new aluminum and copper half-round gutters and some architectural copper details, including a bay window roof, flashing and cricket work around the chimney, and an octagonal-shaped standing seam copper roof. This video will focus on the Flatlock soldered seam copper roof portion of the job. Hope you enjoy, and remember to hit follow, like, subscribe, and share. The old turn-coated steel roof materials appeared to be original to the home. There were numerous cracked seams, and the roof had met the end of its lifespan. Thankfully, the roofing crew on site removed the old stuff so Guttersmiths didn't have to. After the old roof materials were removed, the roof deck was checked for wood rot and repairs were made as needed. A self-adhering waterproof membrane called ice and water shield was then applied. The next step was to install the copper trim around the perimeter of the roof. Although we're capable of fabricating them in 10-foot lengths, I chose to make these trim pieces 5 feet long and fasten them to the roof using a clip system to hopefully negate any issues related to expansion and contraction. These clips are used in lieu of fastening directly through the copper. Flux and a thin coat of solder were applied to the edges of the trim to make the final soldering process easier. This is called pre-tinning. Some of the trim pieces were soldered together before bringing them up onto the roof because it's faster and safer to do on the ground. The roof panels were fabricated and pre-tinned in the shop from 3-foot by 10-foot sheets of copper. The panels are fabricated with notched corners and with 2 sides folded up and 2 sides folded down. They are installed one at a time using the same type of clips that used to install the trim pieces. The panels are locked together and were installed so the horizontal seams shed water. A rosin paper slip sheet is applied between the ice and water shield and the copper panels. A slip sheet is a good idea anytime you're installing metal roofing, but especially when soldering is involved. After the panels are installed, the seams are hammered flat, fluxed, and soldered. The water collector box at the bottom of the roof was updated with something a little more decorative. John got the idea for this downspout design from the wonderfully ornate downspouts currently installed at the Harold C. Bradley House at 106 North Prospect Avenue in the University Heights neighborhood of Madison, Wisconsin. That property houses the Sigma Phi Society and is on a walking tour of historic homes conducted by the Madison Trust for Historic Preservation. The downspout bracket is a profile Guttersmiths has used in the past on other projects, and John thought it was a good fit here. Overall, a fun project, and Guttersmiths looks forward to the next one. Thanks for watching, and as a huge favor, please hit like, subscribe, follow, and share. Email John at guttersmiths.com for any inquiries you may have.